What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. So I'm about to wrap my hood blue because I went into Dunkin' today and the lady said my hood looks like it got all this bird shit on it. So I'm gonna wrap it blue. Then I'm gonna possibly change the color of these stripes. I'm probably not gonna do the roof though because that's really high up in the air. But probably by today, I could probably have all these stripes done in white and the hood wrapped blue. So let's go ahead and get started on wiping this down. Then I can set y'all up for a little time lapse of me wrapping the hood. Then I'm gonna show you the little process of doing the stripes over. I'm not gonna take these stripes off, I'm gonna just go over them. So my truck is already fairly clean. I'm gonna just do a quick little wipe down with some alcohol. Measure the hood, cut it out, give it a quick little time lapse of this real quick.
So fuck it, I don't care to swap it. Illegal 10, yeah, I don't care about these bitches stalking. I know it's hard not to be nosy about this shit I got in. Yeah, I just got a brand.
Check this out, y'all. It's throughout the whole hood. Like, these are not bubbles, y'all. This right here, not a bubble. This right here is a bubble. You see how it just goes away? Not a bubble, y'all. It's insane, man. Not much I could do. I'm gonna just go ahead and finish wrapping it blue. Throw the white stripes on.
Ain't no Cartier ass, you don't rock it. And where I come from, this ain't no status that you receive. I got BBS diamonds, yeah, they sitting right on my teeth. I about to wear everything I like, little baby, what I see. Oh, she got a twin, I can't leave with one, I need three. I know you seen the king, yeah, I made 100 in a week.
Look at this, y'all. So the hood's finished. Like I said, look at this. Up close, this is what you're gonna see. If you're that close to my truck, I might just, you know what I'm saying to you.
You going to jail. You're going to jail.
Good 6 vents. Oh, bro, I already wrapped the hood, bro. I'm not changing the color. So now I'm about to do the white stripes, bro. Bro, leave me alone, bro. I'm not changing the whole color. Thank y'all. So I did the front bumper part. I'm about to do the roof. I'm gonna do a little bit of this. The top of the roof probably tomorrow because it's already like 6:30, I believe. Probably got like an hour left. So by the time I get done that's probably another 30 minutes. But yeah, I think so far. I think it looks good. Yeah, check your boy out. I remember my last video, he broke his other one, but look, he back. Can I get a launch control? Hold on, let me zoom out. Can I zoom out? Look at the Yo, that was a little slow though, if you ask me. That was a little slow if you ask me.
Well, look what it did.
Can I get a burnout?
Can
I get a burnout?
Push the bike up. Don't put
Can I get a burnout? section. I'm really like a rapper. Get it? What's this off the top? Alright, let's go ahead and do the rest of these two. Knock those two out. My girlfriend's actually in the back right now doing a rear.
A few moments later.
Yeah, are you gonna do this part too, or we want to do this another day? Damn, I'm gonna have to take this fin off because of this piece. You're distracting me though, bro. Get out of here. Get out of here. Bro. Yo! Check that out, chat. Sheesh. As you can see, front is done. What y'all think? Let me know down below if this was a W color choice. I was thinking about putting red pinstripes on here. Let me know if I should or if I shouldn't. Like I said, I didn't do the roof. I'll do that tomorrow. It's late. I started at 5 o'clock. It's already 7. My girlfriend did the back. All I gotta do is the wing and the roof, and it's done. Sheesh. Damn. What y'all think, y'all? I'm gonna end the video here. Let me know down below what y'all think. I'll catch you on the next one.